How are you currently imaging the lungs? Frozen in an X-ray image? Or under a CT scan? Inside the bronchus using a bronchoscope? Or outside the patient's body analyzing samples under a microscope? Cellvizio Lung opens a new world in pulmonology with in vivo, in situ imaging of the entire bronchial-alveolar tract with microscopic resolution. Cellvizio by Mauna Kea Technologies. Where endoscopes stop, Cellvizio Lung begins. Cellvizio Lung enables doctors to safely reach distal areas in the lung. It produces reliable, ultra-high resolution images of the alveoli as it lives and breathes. Of the imaging modalities currently available, none can produce live microscopic images of the alveoli in real time. Standard bronchoscopes cannot reach the distal lung, and obtaining biopsies can be risky. Even when samples are safely taken from the patient's body, histology cannot provide functional or dynamic information.
Quand l'anatomopathologiste fait des coupes de poumons, le poumon est ratatiné sur lui-même puisqu'il n'est plus aéré, bien entendu.
In existing diagnostic procedures, doctors are unable to retrieve accurate and specific information from the alveoli as the patient breathes.
L'aspect que l'on voit sur une coupe de poumon est un aspect de dimension et qui est celle d'un poumon non seulement non aéré, mais également d'un poumon qui n'a pas son architecture dans les trois dimensions telles qu'il doit l'être.
Cellvizio Lung begins where bronchoscopes stop. It can reach the alveoli and visualize their dynamic process at a microscopic level. Specifically designed for microscopic observation in the lung, the system comprises a laser scanning unit, the AlveoFlex confocal mini probe, and a proprietary image processing software. The physician performs a standard endoscopy procedure. When the bronchoscope reaches its access limit, the alveoscopy procedure begins. The AlveoFlex is inserted into the operating channel of the bronchoscope and extended further into the terminal bronchi or alveoli. The tip had been graduated for landmarking purposes and to further ensure patient safety. A simple contact between the AlveoFlex and the alveoli to be examined is sufficient to generate real-time microscopic video images. At the heart of the Cellvizio system lies a unique patented laser scanning unit, LSU. The LSU integrates a blue laser diode. Its beam travels via a system of lenses and mirrors, thinning it to a micron scale diameter. At the end of its course, the beam is injected into the AlveoFlex mini probe's fibers with unprecedented scanning accuracy and speed. The AlveoFlex confocal mini probe is 1.4 millimeters in diameter and is comprised of 30,000 optical fibers. The core of each fiber is 1.9 micron. Each fiber is injected 12 times per second in a rapid sequence, one after the other. The laser beam travels through the fibers of the confocal mini probe until it reaches the area to be examined within the patient's body. The laser scans a 600 micron area of living tissue, and the resulting lateral resolution is 3.5 microns. Cellvizio Lung takes advantage of the naturally occurring fluorescence of the lung revealed by the blue laser. The light re-emitted by the scanned area is collected by the confocal mini probe and guided back to the LSU. With its proprietary software and image processing algorithm, it produces real-time microscopic video images of alveoli that are viewed on screen and recordable. Cellvizio lung is the result of 6 years of research and development by Mauna Kea Technologies in France. A multidisciplinary team of professionals from the fields of biology, medical optics, astrophysics, imaging processing, and computer engineering work together with a singular objective: to provide clinicians with innovative, minimally invasive imaging devices that improve pulmonary patients' lives in routine procedures. Cellvizio lung has the CE mark in Europe and is FDA cleared in the United States. It is commercially available both in Europe and the US. The alveoscopy procedure requires only brief training. No additional preparation of the patient is needed. The AlveoFlex is compatible with all manufacturers' existing bronchoscopes operating channels. The potential for current and future applications are immense. A whole new world in pulmonary imaging is unfolding.
C'est tout un champ de la pneumologie qui s'ouvre à nos yeux et qui devrait pouvoir permettre d'avancer dans un certain nombre de directions, celui des pathologies infiltrantes pulmonaires diffuses, comme on l'a montré tout à l'heure, mais également probablement celui du fonctionnement du poumon, tout simplement, au contact de différents agents exogènes qui vont altérer sa fonction.
Cellvizio lung by Mauna Kea Technologies is an important breakthrough in our ability to cope with and understand life-threatening diseases in the distal lung, like peripheral lung cancers or diffuse interstitial diseases. Where other technologies stop, Cellvizio lung begins.